Okay, I hope that you enjoyed the last video, when I was about to shoot all the ladies, but I wasn't really going to shoot y'all, even though it was like a fake gun. But you're probably wondering, like, where did I get this? You can find it at any department store, Kmart, Walmart possibly, but this one, and it comes in two different colors, same thing, and it's from by Tech 3 Toys, so I guess I'm just doing a review of it. I mean, it's a pretty cool toy. It's like, all you have to do is just pull this, right? And the trigger is ready, and you just shoot. Then, you switch it, and do it again. I'm going to do the last one. And here you go. Yeah. But in this video, we're going to do something different. I have bought something from the store, right? I bought something from the store. You're not going to believe it. Yeah, got that firepower. Actually, I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't for a couple of days, but I'm about to unwrap it, see how it goes. So I was hoping that you would like to join me. Yeah, so it's going to be like real fun. So I hope that you enjoy it. Take a look at it one more time. Yeah, so let's do a quick review on it. Since I got this open, let's take a look at it. This is the first time he's seeing it, so I don't know much about it. I guess this part right here is for like a second gun or something. But I guess this is for the ejection for the I guess this is where that you put the bullet, or as you say, in here on each slot. So let's see. I guess you gotta like fully pull them in. Alright, I'm all done. Let's lock and load. I just wanted to do that. So let's give it a test. Ooh, did y'all see that? Let me see it again. Show it in slow motion. Let's try it again. Not working. That was a rip off. Oh no, I see it. This one right here just helps you get the air pressure. So, see? So that's just my review. It does seem to have power. So I should suggest that you should get this for your 10-year-old or 11-year-old, or basically 8 to 13 or more. I'm just saying this is a pretty good gun. I would buy this for my kid if if I ever have any, or the ones that I don't know. But that's just how I feel. So this is my review on the Nerf N Strike. So hey, this is how I do it. Yeah, so you better be careful.